Yo you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're going to have a look at this collection, the illustration collection from these Pokemon cards. And as you can see, it comes with 4 booster packs, and also some promo cards. So let's dig right into this and not waste any much time and try to rip this open. As always, I don't know, maybe that's just me, I'm always having a little bit of a hard time here. Well, we'll get there, so give me a second. Let's rip through this box. Come on. There we go, almost there. So let's throw this to the side. We don't need that right now. As you can see, 3 nice promo cards. Let's see if we can actually get a better view of them. They come with a galaxy foil, which is always nice to see. Here's a code card for you, so grab that if you want, if you're fast. So here's our first promo. Nice galaxy foil, looking good. Nice. Throw that to the side. I don't have my sleeves right here, that's unfortunate. So more of that. And that's the final one, which looks amazing if you ask me, you guys. Don't know what you're thinking about them, but I think they look really sick. So let's put this to the side. This has to go. Bam, gone. And 4 booster packs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So throw that to the side as well. And then let's dig in there. Hope we get some hits. This is how the artworks you can expect here. And we're gonna start with a little bird. And let's check that out here. Not sure what the card trick is. Haven't really checked out this set yet. I have to admit that too. So here's a cool card for you. I would assume it's probably 1 card, maybe none. Okay, well, yeah, that must be 1. Okay, so we'll just leave that there. Whatever. The Max X, Needle, and a little old guy getting sacked. Interesting, though that's not a rare. That's interesting to see. Normally you get a 6 is always a rare. Nice. Liking the new reverse pattern that they have going. And ooh, oh, nice, good start. So we got a full art. Nice. Looking good. Sadly, I don't have my sleeves here. So, yeah, whatever. Let's throw it to the side and hope we can continue like that. That would be amazing. Next booster. Rip open and throw that to the side. Here's the code card and 1 card to the front. Turn that around. We got the water. And then Persian. Nice. Interesting. Cassiopeia. Oh, I guess that's a hit. Never too sure about these. I'm not a big fan. I think they count as a hit. I don't know. I think they do. I don't even know what rarity they are or what they are called, to be honest. But yeah, let's just place them down there. Whatever. 2 more. Let's hope we can continue. Pro, this one is not going to be a hit. That's what I expect, at least. Code card. I'm actually always happy to see like some art rares. Art rares are just amazing, or in general the gallery cards. I hope to see those. Yeah, that's that one. So throw these to the side. Reverse holes over there. Then just a bunch of bulk. And last but not least, maybe now, some artwork that's gonna be amazing. I would be happy to see that. Especially I don't know even what's in here as artworks. It's even more exciting that way. So, let's see what we can find. Tusk Club. Yeah, right. Let's go, come on. Let's go. Absol. Nice artwork. Ooh, yay. There we go. And there's a rock. Okay. But that one looks good. Looks amazing. It's a little birdie. Also liking that one out of the 3 that they are.